Hi, so this will be a quick demonstration of using a supercapacitor. The supercapacitor I'm going to be using is a 3 volt 100 farad supercapacitor from Bichet. I don't know if you can see it there, 100 farad, 3 volt. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be powering this conveyor with this supercapacitor. But first let me demo what a supercapacitor does. So a supercapacitor provides a lot of power for a short amount of time. It can be used to assist the battery or do like a quick charge when you need a short boost of power real quick without killing your battery. Let me do a quick demonstration. By the way, hi, and if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe or leave a comment on my YouTube page, TimmyLee28. So let's go ahead and move forward with this. So this is a Lego conveyor I made with a 9-volt Lego motor, right? And so first things first, I have an LED right here, and I have a little hand crank generator, right? So I'm going to power up the LED. So let me hook this up real quick. And so I'm going to plug up my little hand crank to this LED. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this with holding the phone and doing this, but let's see if I can do it real quick. All right, so as I turn this, you're going to see the LED turn on. All right, so I'm hand cranking it, and you see the little LED come on, right? But soon, and I'm generating power, but as soon as I stop generating electricity, the LED goes off, right? So that's a quick demonstration. So that's without a supercap. So I generate electricity and it powers my 3-volt LED. So now I'm going to use a supercapacitor, which is this guy. And so I'm going to demonstrate the same thing using my hand crank to power the conveyor. Sorry if my video is bouncing around here. So I'm going to hook up my hand crank. And as I turn this, same thing with the LED, it's going to turn the conveyor. All right, so as I'm generating electricity, it's running the conveyor. You see that? And same concept, when I stop generating electricity, the conveyor stops. So this is great if you want to just hand crank for the rest of your life. And that's when we get into supercaps. So supercaps store energy. So I charge this supercap up, 100 farads, 3 volts. And I'm going to hook him up. And he's fully charged. Now, this does have polarity. This is a electrolytic. So make sure your positive goes to positive and your negative, or your cathode, goes to where it's marked here. You see the black lines here? That's cathode. That's a negative. So you want to hook up your negative alligator clip to that. That's a cathode. And here's your positive lead. You always want to hook up to the positive terminal. Okay. So, and it's always behoove you not to short out your cap, otherwise it's going to blow up. So, well, I mean, you short it for a quick discharge, but always use the load resistor to short out the cap. But if these two touch for a period of time, it's going to cause a fire. So, right now, I have a Lego conveyor running off a supercap. No battery. This is just a supercapacitor. And look at it go. I mean, this Lego motor is normal operating range is 9 volts. It can run up to 12 volts. It can run at its minimum voltage 5 volts. So I think we're running at 5 volts here. So this guy is solely, just being him charged up, is running this Lego conveyor all by itself without a power supply, without external power. And that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to cover the bases here. This is a supercap powering a motor to run a conveyor. That's it. Thank you.